I just finished watching Jenny video, but I wake up so early every single day. Like, the sun is not even up yet, but I'm up. I'm up. Like, I'm just up. I ain't doing nothing. I'm just up, like, wide awake. Oh my goodness. Good morning, you guys. So I just decided to start a vlog. That was not even my video plan for today. I got mad Vaseline on. I do this. I don't know about y'all, but when I'm going to sleep, I OD with the Vaseline because I hate waking up with jarred lips, and it's just not cool. Because then if you yawn, your lips start cracking and stuff, and I don't like that. So yeah. I don't know why I'm even vlogging at this time. It is currently 6:48 a.m. and to be honest, I've been up for an hour now, even more than an hour. I think I woke up around like 5:14, and I just been up laying here, and then I decided to turn on the TV. Actually, I just turned on the TV because I just turned on the TV to see if my friend posted, and I watched her video. Excuse me. I just wanted to talk about the fact that I be up so early. So, that's about it. Alright, so today is Vlogmas day either 15 or 16. Today's actually the 16th. Since I caught up till the 14th, I don't know if I want to make this 15 or 16. I kind of want to make it 16, but I don't know. We'll see. I have a lot to do today. I really want to declutter my closet. Oh, today's the snow day, you guys. Today's supposed to be the snow day. Let me see if it's snowing. Let me see if the snow started. Because it's supposed to be a snowstorm today. Nope. I'll show you guys. I'll look at the sky. It is gray, gloomy, but no snow. Y'all see how dark it is? So I'm gonna have to come back when the sun comes up. All right, and for the meantime, you guys can enjoy my intro.
Ho, ho, ho.
The storm has begun. The kid outside compared to this morning. Y'all, I ain't do nothing but sit home. Nah, I'm lying. I had a lot of phone calls to do today. And yeah, I've been home all day. And I don't know what to post. So I'm like, let me turn on the camera or whatever. My head tie all messing up. Can y'all tell I just been home all day? Like, yeah. Maybe tomorrow morning I'll go outside and attempt to play in the snow. Just for footage. Just for y'all, because if it wasn't for that, I would have been home. I wonder how my car finna look like. Ooh, I didn't pull up the wipers. Shit. I think I should have pulled up the wipers. Oh, man, I don't want to go out there in that nastiness. Like, I don't want to be out there, man. It's like 2 hours later. And okay. It's doing something. I might go outside tomorrow morning. I ain't going outside tonight, but tomorrow morning I might go see what's going on out there. So this might be a 2-day vlog. Look at this. Jeez. Why you not home, sir? or ma'am. You too. Over there. So it's 6 o'clock the next morning and it's still snowing. People in my building kind of cleaned a little bit. Well, I think the cars, but it's still snowing. Like, what's going on here? Let me try it up here. Okay. It's still snowing. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's still snowing. Honestly, I don't even know where I'm going with this video, but it's the next day. I'm looking outside. Ooh, they've been cleaning. They've been cleaning. Look, they still walking. Hold on, let me go up here. A little higher. They've been clean. Look at the super throwing salt. They've been cleaning, but it's still snowing. If y'all really look closely, y'all see it's still snowing a little bit. I need to go outside today and take a look at my car and see what's going on, because, you know, I didn't put up my wipers and stuff. I should go turn it on, warm the car up, take all that ice off my car, because, you know, if it doesn't snow tomorrow or later, it's just gonna... Wow. If it doesn't snow tomorrow or later, it's just gonna turn to like that thin layer of ice that's very difficult to take off your car. So I should just go out there and just try to, you know, take the ice off. You see how people look? How people got their wipers up and stuff? I ain't do that. What am I super doing? Oh, I ain't see. But I did not do that. I hear this man, but I just can't see him. I hear him scraping the floor. But yeah, like, I don't know, man. I don't want to go out there. I don't want to go out there, but kind of have to go out there. Because I got to go check on Tatiana. If y'all ain't know, that's the name of my car. All right, so you guys, today has been a very long day. I've been having issues with rendering videos. And my light is almost gone. And to be honest with y'all, I haven't been outside yet. I know this vlog has been going for like 2 days now, but it's like what? Let me see. What time is it? It's 5:09 p.m. All the light outside is basically gone. But I have to go outside and check out how my car looks from the snow and everything. Clean my windshield up. I'm not trying to let it like freeze onto my windshield, so I got my big heavy duty snow gloves on, and I'm finna take y'all outside with me, and I'm going just like this, just take a look what's going on. And yeah, so come on, let's go. My bad, I did this whole last clip of me putting on my gloves for no reason, because I gotta put on my shoes. All right, it's already dark, y'all. Like, oh my lord, this winter stuff, so depressing. Right, let's go check out what the snow did to Tatiana. If y'all didn't know, that's the name of my car. Again, I'm telling you guys again. Oh, where my car key at? Where's my car key? Where did I put it? Got it. All right, let's go. Let's go check out the damage with me. Hopefully, it's not too dark and you guys can still see what's going on. Should I put on a scarf? I might get cold. Hold up now. This is what I'm gonna do. This vlog is all over the place. This is... come on. Because I'm gonna be the most irresponsible person in the world if I let this snow melt into my windshield, and then tomorrow it's not melted, and no, I might be exaggerating. It might not even be that bad, but just in case it is that bad, I need to at least see it. I can't see my car from my apartment. I can only see the front of the building at the back. So come on, let's go. Look at all that snow. Is that my wipers? I think my neighbor tried to put up my wipers. That's really nice of her if she did. Because what's that black thing right there? All right, let's go downstairs because I think my neighbor was trying to help me out. You know? Let's go check it out. Yeah, she did. I think she did. Aw, she did. That's definitely my wipers. Let me see if y'all got it better. See? She kind of did. Only one of them stayed up though. That's really... She the only one that would do that. Her and one more person in this building. Because I only speak to 2 people in the super. I don't speak to anybody else. So I think she the only one that possibly could have done that for me. They got the boiler room open. Stuff running. That's nice of whoever did that. My neighbor's starting to like me. Before when I first moved in here, I thought she hated me. Ooh, they plowed up so nicely. Look at that good job. Put my gloves on before the old people clean their cars and stuff. Alright. Tatiana. Ooh, look at you, girl. Look at you. Damn, look at all that snow. I don't even know where to begin. They didn't even try to plow next to the car and stuff. Like, how the heck? Look at this mountain of snow. I'm supposed to go. I don't have boots on. This snow is gonna touch my... Look. If I put my foot in, it's gonna go in my shoe. I thought this would have been kind of plowed. This is not good. This is not good. Okay. This is why I don't like snow, y'all. Like, it's extra work for no reason. Unlock it. Oh, my Christmas sweater stuff is still in here. Oh, my Lord. First things first, let me start this engine. Oh, I just threw mad snow in here. I can't stand winter. Look at this. Can't even see anything. Honestly, the crazy part about this whole thing is the fact that I actually have like a windshield cover that you could put over. I think I told y'all that last night. I don't know. When I edit it, I'll figure it out. But I have those like windshield covers that you could... Oh, my feet is already cold. I have on sneakers. I didn't put on boots. Look at this. So that means the snow is already melted into my shoe. And oh my God, look at... All right, so yeah, I have that cover that you could put up on the windshield or whatever, and then I could have just easily opened the door and then ripped it off and all the snow would have fell on the floor. But guess who didn't put it on? Me. Why? Because it was already snowing. Damn. All right, let me put this heat on high because warm this car up. Oh, my feet is already cold. Pop the trunk. Oh, I just keep falling in. Pop the trunk, but nothing happened. It's just, oh, look at this, look at this. Oh. Oh. Well, everybody outside trying to clean their car. Look at, all right. Whoa. I would be dumb not to do this today. It's like covered. It's been a while since I ain't have to deal with this because, you know, last year it didn't snow. I can't even open it. Come on. Okay, let me put on my glove and push some of the snow off. Person in that car is looking at me like, Miss, I see you. Or sir, whatever you are. I see you. I see your head. Heavy duty. The snow went inside my... I'm not prepared for this at all. I'm already having a hard time. Oh, there's been some birds on this. Alright, let me see if I could put y'all up so y'all can watch me. Put this up on the snow. I hope y'all can see me. If y'all can't see me, I'll try. Is this still recording? Alright, I try. Oh, it's snowing. Okay, I don't think y'all can see me. Let me turn it around a little bit. I'm brave for doing this, yo. Y'all see that? Oh yeah, y'all can see. Oh, you do? I'll use it. Thank you. I'm not even going anywhere. I'm just trying to do this because, you know, it's over, yeah. I should close this door. Thank you so much. That made it 10 times easier. Because it didn't snow last year. It didn't snow. I wasn't prepared for this. That's it, right? It's not going to snow anymore?
They're saying next weekend. I think on Friday and Saturday. Right now, it's only snowing like 30%, so.
Goodness.
We'll see about that.
Hopefully. I guess we're going to have a white Christmas. But the front though, like they did a horrible job with the front.
They did.
I'm gonna lie, look at all of this. I'm sorry, I got my phone up there. I'm a YouTuber, so I'm making a little YouTube video.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Oh, see.
I don't know. I'm gonna just try to move it. But the front is a mess.
Let me subscribe to your channel. What's your channel?
You wanna add Bernice?
Hold on.
A-N-N-E. I'm getting a new subscriber, y'all.
Where's your phone at?
Right there.
Oh, God. Let's see. There you go.
This right here. doing Vlogmas. So I'm pretty much done cleaning. I hope y'all can see me. But I'm about to try to move my car because as y'all can see, there's mad snow up under there. So let's see how this goes. Alright, so it's looking good. I was able to move my car or whatever. So I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video was crazy. It's nice that it's crazy how I'm gonna explain to y'all later, but it's crazy how there was somebody out here to help me. You see, things always work out. I spent all day in the house, and then as soon as I came out here, it was a nice lady here. I appreciate her very, very much. It was really nice to meet you because she subscribed. If you're watching this video, thanks for subscribing. I'm going back upstairs. My hands are cold. Bye, guys.
Yourself. I'm a merry little Christmas.